Yo, what's up guys, teacherpaul over here, and today we are doing this unboxing video of Maonocaster. So here's the story. They reached out to me and they said, hey, would you like to review my product? And I'm like, sure. As you guys know, I have been, in the past, I have had problems with my microphone, and I've been looking for the best type of microphone, mixer. The good thing about this one, it comes with a mixer. So I can plug in two microphones here, and I can, it's an external mixer, so I can control all the volumes here. So I'm really psyched about this. I want to thank Maono for sending this to me. So thank you so much. Let's do the unboxing. So this is how it comes in the box. I really need an overhead camera so you guys can see it clearly, but for now, this is what we have. So it says it's the Maonocaster Lite Professional Audio Innovation, and I'm pretty psyched to see how this thing turns out and what quality I can get with this microphone and mixer. So as soon as you open the box, this is what you get. Okay. Whoops. Here we go. So you are faced with the interface. This is what it looks like. That's how big it is. I'm gonna remove this part and let me show you what comes in the box. Okay. So it's pretty sturdy. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Okay, it's not that heavy, but it's plastic and it is quite hard, so it feels like it has a good build. So this is what it looks like up close. You have your knobs here, your volume. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's see what else is in the box. So you get your caster, and then you get a microphone. So this is the Maono microphone, and you can see it's an XLR microphone. You have a little tripod here. Pretty cool. So we're going to test this out in a second as well. It's nice that it has a tripod, so I can leave it over here standing. Look at that. And then we have a USB cable and an audio cable. This is what's in the box. So let's see how the USB cable looks. Okay. So we have an adapter, a USB-C over here. I don't know if you can focus. And then a normal USB cable. USB-A to USB-C cable. Okay. So I'll leave this on the side for now. Then you have the pop filter, so that all the pops will be eliminated from the recording. And then you have your cable, XLR cable. Okay, so basically that's all that comes in the box. Let's put the box aside, floor, so that we can get this tested. We also have this audio cable, which is just to connect microphone. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so let's get this set up and let's see what the quality is like. Okay. Just gonna put those on the floor for now, and let's set this up. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna put the cable on the microphone. I'm doing this live so you guys can see how it actually is straight out of the box. So here we go. We just connect that here. Okay, that's connected. And apparently I have to connect this to the mixer, right? You get a little manual. So you get a few things here as well that comes in the box, which gives you the instructions. A letter to the customer. Oh, this is considerate. That's nice. That's nice. And then you have a full user manual. Pretty long read there. Okay, so let's connect this microphone. So I'm going to go for the mic 1. Okay. And let's turn this on by using the USB-C. So you can see it's pretty straightforward. It won't take you longer than 5 minutes to set this up. But we're going to see how it works in terms of connecting to the software. I'm using OBS. Okay, so this is the connection. You might need a little bit of cable management there. Okay, let me just plug this into the USB socket. And let's see how fast this connects to the computer. Okay, so we have power, and I can already see that there is a device recognized on the computer. That's how fast it was. So here you have the on button. Let me turn that on and see how this works. Okay, so it's all lit up and it's on. And wow, look at this. You have a few things going on over here. I think you probably need to program this. Then you have your volume, echo. Okay, pretty interesting. So I'm going to set this up in the program right now. And let's see if you guys can see what I see. And okay, you can't see that. I'm not going to set that up now. What I am going to do is I'm going to change the microphone. So here we go. So right now you're listening to the sound from this microphone. And in 3, 2, 1. Hello, can you guys hear me? Testing 1, 2 microphone. Okay, so you probably couldn't hear me there. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let me see if there's any other step. And we're going to try this again. So I don't know if there's any other step to it. I turned it on. Now, let me just see what's going on here. I can feel that I do need a little bit of cable management because I don't have a lot of space here on my table, and I feel like the cables are pulling the device. Okay, so let me try this one more time. I'm gonna add a different microphone here to the program so that we can have both. So you see that there is a little bit of workaround. It's not as easy as removing it from the box, turning it on, and talking into it, from what I can tell. So you need to learn a little bit of how to fix it. So it's not as easy as it looks, right? Hello, testing, 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? Hello. I don't know. Okay, so we're getting somewhere now. Hello. Okay, so I guess you probably can hear me now. Okay, so here's what I did. Okay, so here we go. I think you can hear me now. So here's what I've done. There are 5 or 6, actually there are 4 small nozzles and there are 2 big ones. So the last one is actually where the microphone is, so that's where you need to press. I don't know if this is sounding great or not. I need to listen to it again later. But I do have an audio. Okay, let me just see how well this works. So I do have an audio cable, which I'm going to connect to my headphones so that I can hear what I am saying and if the audio is good enough. So this is actually an unboxing and a quick review of the product. So, okay, headset. So it's not that, it doesn't fit. Okay, let me try another thing. Okay, so I might need an adapter. Okay, so I can hear my own voice now. Okay, I can hear my own voice now. And I can tell you guys were hearing the noise because I have a fan here and the fan was right in front of the microphone. But there is a denoise option. Okay, so it was on the whole time. Okay, so when I click the denoise, okay, so now we have the denoise. Then we have a few effects. Okay. Okay, so okay. So here I can manage my highs and my lows. Okay. I'm gonna play around with this for a second, and I think I can put some echo. Can you hear echo on my voice now? Oh goodness. I definitely need more space here. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna listen back to this and see how the audio sounds, but I would like you guys to tell me what you think. And you see that in 10 minutes we can sit here and get it working, but I still need to test it out, learn how to use it. And hey, it's a pretty neat microphone. And if I get the audio and everything working properly, it's going to be my main microphone. But I love the fact that I can control the highs, the lows, the mids, you know. But it feels like there is a lot of noise. So I might have to try some filters, some denoise. Let's see if I can add that now. Okay, but my intention was not to test it on camera right now. It was just to do an unboxing. But hey, I'm gonna listen back to it. I think it sounds okay. but you be the judge. Guys, I'll play around with this and I'll give you an update. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. It goes for £100, or I don't know how much that is in dollars, but you can check the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.